Alright, so here's the new Sansi LED 250 watt replacement motion detector security light. This replaces any standard outdoor light or security light you may have on your house or shop or whatever you have. This is a 250 watt equivalent and it burns only 30 watts of power, so it's a pretty efficient little guy. And I mean, there's not much to it. This is a pretty standard security light, and it functions like most other security lights. So on the bottom here you have your times. You have a test, and then it's a 4 position, so test 1 minute, 5 minute, and 10 minute all the way over to the side. And then you have your range sensitivity level for how far you want your motion sensor to work. Nice thing about this is it's got these directional 4 position lamps. You can point whichever way you want them. And then they are LED, of course, so hopefully you will get quite a bit, a nice brighter, whiter light, depending on, we'll see what spectrum range they are in. But I'm hoping for a little brighter, whiter light, and then it will be much more efficient. So let me just show you here quick what my backyard looked like with my current outdoor light. It's just a standard lantern style light with it's probably a 60 watt bulb in there, just enough to kind of light up the porch. What I'm going to do next is we'll install this guy, we'll take out the old one, we'll put on the new one, and then we will test it out later tonight and see how bright this is, see how much of a difference we get. Hang tight, let's install this guy. Alright, there we go. Test her out. Look at that. Alright, so there it is. Now it's installed and it's nighttime and we turned it on here. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's quite a bit brighter than it was. It's got quite a bit further reach than it had before. And I can light up quite a bit more of my yard by pointing them directionally whichever way I want to point them. So I'm pretty happy with this. Alright, so after getting this light up and using it for several evenings now, I'm quite happy with it, and it's quite the improvement from my old little, I don't know what that was, a 60 watt incandescent light bulb. And the crazy thing about this is this puts out, I think I read it was 250 watts, but it only burns 30 watts of energy, which is awesome. So I'm getting like, 4 times the brightness out of this new LED security light, and I'm getting half the power usage. So that's awesome. And the other thing about this that I think is really nice, it's a 5000K light spectrum, which is a much brighter, whiter light versus the old incandescent. That was probably, I don't know what that was, a 1500 or something like that, which gives off that really yellow light, which doesn't equate to a brighter light at night. So I'm pretty happy with this. This was quick and easy to install. It took me less than 5 minutes. I've done electrical, like I said before, but if you have not, contact a qualified electrician. They will be more than glad to swap one of these out for you in no time. And so there we go. I'm quite happy with this thing. I wish I would have bought one 4 years ago. If they had them 4 years ago, I don't know, but this is money well spent if you want a nice bright light, and especially the security light. It's kind of nice to have. And now instead of flipping our light on and off, we just leave it on all the time, put it for 5 minutes and let the dogs out, and it turns right on. 5 minutes later it shuts off, so no more messing around with that. So I'm really glad I got this light. It's an awesome light. I guess I should mention the model number of this particular light that I have here. It is a C2440-FW, and if anyone is interested in purchasing one of these, I'll put a link below in my description for an Amazon link to purchase this product. And Any purchases made through my channel and my link kicks back a few pennies back to me, so it's always appreciated if you use my links. So as always, till next time, stay safe on your machines and shoot safe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.